Hi friends, I'm Chef Danielle and we have Gabby here with us today and we are learning all about the letter G. And what starts with G? But grapefruit. Wow, look at that. You want to hold the grapefruit? So since we have our grapefruit, we are going to make a grapefruit juice. And sometimes we like to make our grapefruit juice with other citrus fruits like oranges. We'll mix a little orange juice in there. And this blood orange, look at this one. You like the grapefruit? Okay, perfect. Gabby, we're gonna put our half of our citrus on our citrus press. So look, I'll take one of these and then I'll give it to you and you can press and make the juice, okay?
I got my own.
Look at that.
I got my own.
You got your own? Did you want me to do the first one?
I do the first one.
Look, isn't that pretty? What color is that? It's like a ruby red color.
I'll just lick it.
You know what? We can try some of them. Why don't you push this down and maybe I'll cut you a little piece. Would you like to try a little piece?
No, you can make it into juice.
Yes, we are going to make it into juice. Okay.
I want the next one.
Look. Oh, what's coming out underneath?
Juicy!
And smell it. Doesn't it smell good?
How do you do this?
You want to do that one too?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get to that one. We'll juice all of our juices. We'll juice all of our oranges and our grapefruit and our blood orange. Okay. Wow, look at that, Gabby. We have a lot of juice on that one, huh? Woo! You want?
I want my own knife.
Yeah, we're not gonna. This one is a little sharper, so I'll cut this one, and then look, it's so juicy. It's so juicy. Which half do you want to squeeze first?
This one?
That one? Okay, so you gotta turn it around, and I'll hold it, and then you gotta push it.
Push.
You have to use great strength, right? Whoa! Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Whoa! You're using all your muscles, right? Uh-oh, not done. We got a little more. Sometimes we need an adult to help us get all the juice out. But the kiddos are good at using their muscles, right? We have to use our hands and our fingers and our muscles. Ooh.
Juicy on the drink.
And you know what? Sometimes if it gets a little full, that's okay. And then we'll take a little glass like this. Look. So we can put some of this in our glass. And then when we mix all of our juices, we can try it. Okay, so should we use, look, we've got 2 more of these. There's so much in there. Uh-oh. You want to help me?
Yes.
Okay. You gotta squeeze it a little in. Good job.
I want to take the top.
Oh, no, we need the top one because we just want the juice. We don't want the seeds in there. We don't want, this is called the pulp. We don't want the pulp in there. Sometimes the pulp is still good. You can eat the pulp. You can drink the pulp. But sometimes we just want a nice, smooth juice.
You want to drink the pulp.
This is the outside. This is, yeah, that part we don't want. The skin.
The skin? No.
Because it's tough and it's bitter. This outside is tough and bitter. But we get the inside, which is sweet and yummy, right?
Okay. I got the other one.
Okay. And she's gonna push it. Okay, let's squeeze it in a little and I'm gonna help you get it started. Woo! So sometimes the grapefruits are this kind of ruby color that we have today. And then sometimes they're a little more pale pink. So grapefruits can come in different colors. And some are really, really big. And some are a little smaller, but they usually tend to be always bigger than the oranges. We want to do the blood orange next? making our wonderful grapefruit juice medley. Okay, gonna let all the yummy juice go to the bottom. And see, look, there's a seed. See, a seed came out and we don't want the seed inside. See, look. You wanna hold the seed? And you'll see that the seed is hard. And did you know that if we plant that seed in the ground, a tree will grow? And we can have more grapefruits. It'll make all types of grapefruits. Okay, look, we gotta add it. Do you wanna add it to our juice? Uh-oh. Okay, great. Look at this grapefruit juice you made. Shall we try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it before we mix in some other juices, right? Mmm. Can I have some too?
Yeah, you can have some.
Mmm. It's so good. Gabby, you did a great job on making this grapefruit juice.
Yes, I do.
So here's the fun thing about this is, parents, this is actually a great thing to do.
We're gonna have a party.
You're gonna have a juice party. It's a great thing to do because it's easy juicing and it gives the kids something to do, but then they actually see that, you know, orange juice doesn't always come from a carton, right? It actually comes from a fruit. Same with our grapefruit.
And what's inside of the grapefruit?
Yeah, so the grapefruit, we got the juice
And the seeds
from inside.
And it's seeds.
It's what?
Seeds.
There are seeds inside, exactly. And the seeds, if we use them and we plant them in the ground, we get more grapefruit trees. So, yeah. So, since that's so yummy, should we try and maybe mix our grapefruit juice with some orange juice and some blood orange juice? And we can use our citrus press again. You want to do that? So look, I'm going to cut into this one.
I'm thirsty.
You're a little bit thirsty. Would you like a little more?
Yeah, a little more.
Great.
First a little more.
A little more. Awesome. There you go. You're welcome. So look at our orange inside. That one is orange. And let's see what the blood orange looks like. Oh, I think this is going to be kind of different. Wow, look at that. That's so different, right?
I love this one.
Yeah, it smells nice too, right? Okay. So, would you like to help me juice these ones?
I'll do that.
You want to juice the blood orange? Okay. You want to press it? Ooh, I see it's coming. It's coming.
What's that color?
It's kind of like a deep ruby pink once it's all juiced, or like a crimson, a red color. Wow, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna make our juice so yummy, yummy.
I want some of that one.
You want some of that one?
No.
No, you don't want some of that one? Okay, well here, let's try it.
I like this one.
I know. Well, we're gonna make a mix. And this is gonna add more, it's gonna add more sweetness. These ones are sweeter than the grapefruit. How yummy.
Do a little more of this.
You want a little more of that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to mix colors with that one.
Well, let's see how it looks first, right? See, look. Oh, wow. That's like, it's a deep kind of red color. Ooh. And then look, if we add the orange, I think the color's going to change a little. It might get a little lighter. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah.
Look, it's changing colors.
I know. Because this one is a different color.
Uh-oh, you got some.
It's okay. It's right here. And if we get some on us, we can always wash our clothes, right? If we get a little juice on us, it doesn't hurt us. Perfect.
When you get steam, you wash your clothes. You wash your clothes like this. When you push the button at the bottom, it goes.
Yeah. Look at this one. Ooh. Wow.
And this one is lighter.
That is the blood orange again. Remember? So we have all this yummy citrus here. Smells so good, huh? Smells nice and fresh.
I want to get it out of there.
You want to get it out of there?
With a knife.
Okay. Oh no, I'll do it. I'll put it over here. Usually we use a spoon, but we have a knife right now, so we'll let the adult do that. Okay?
Adult?
Yeah.
Why?
But look. So look at our juice. We added 1 orange and 1 blood orange.
Okay.
And now you want to add it to our grapefruit juice. Oh wow, look how that changed the color. Look how that changed the color of the juice.
I want this one first.
Why don't we try it? Why don't we try this one?
Oh, what?
I'm gonna try this one, okay? Can we pour a little in this cup?
Okay, I go first.
Okay, it goes this way.
I want to.
Okay, hold on. Let's turn it around. And now you can pour a little in the cup.
Woo!
Ooh. So look at the color. Isn't that a pretty color? Did you want to try some of this one?
No.
No? You're gonna have your juice? Okay, I'll have this one then.
This one is my own juice.
Mmm, it's yummy. It does taste more like orange juice, this one. Did you have fun making the grapefruit juice?
Yes.
Great. Well, let's say goodbye to our friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
And I hope you join us next week for the letter H.